Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Chronixx wooed thousands of fans at what many describe as one of the most unforgettable live shows in Jamaica on Friday night at Mass Camp in Kingston. The eagerly anticipated Chronixx Live, which was sold out days before the event, lived up to the expectations as the man who is said to be leading the resurgence of reggae gave one of his best performances on home soil. For over 2 hours, the Grammy-nominated artist captivated his audience while performing hits such as Smile Jamaica, Here Comes Trouble, and the hugely popular Likes. He was joined on stage at different times by protege Janine and his father Chronicle. Here are the highlights.
Oh, baby, you're my queen, majesty. Oh, you are my queen, majesty. Skank it, see. Everybody wanna feel like I got the troubles and they rock with me. You don't feel the reggae music, see. Never you cry. I'm here for you, Jamaica.
Protege also gave an extraordinary account of his work, entertaining the audience with songs such as Rasta Love, Protection, and his monster hit Blood Money.
Police cancel operation, cause no real fight man not go station. Now if you check his situation, I beg you come take a look in at Jamaica.
Dancehall artist Popcorn has made the Rolling Stone hit list. His single Saturn's Bars, done in collaboration with British band Gorillaz, secured the number 38 spot on the Rolling Stone magazine's list of 50 best songs of 2017. Saturn's Bars is a single on the Gorillaz album Humans, which was nominated on Tuesday for Best Alternative Music Album for the 2018 Grammy Awards. Also on the list are Malibu by Miley Cyrus at number 45, Drake's Passion Fruit at number 15, Wild Thoughts by DJ Khaled featuring Rihanna at number 24, Cardi B's Bodak Yellow at number 4, and Harry Styles' Signs of the Times taking the number 1 spot. Popcorn, of course, being the only Jamaican artist to have a song on the Rolling Stone magazine's annual list. With the release of her Fenty Beauty line and several songs smashing the Billboard Top 10 this year, international pop singer Rihanna tops off 2017 with the honor of a Bajan street in her name. On Thursday, November 30, the government of Barbados officially declared what was then Westbury New Road, where the pop star lived up to age 16, to now Rihanna Drive. The Wild Thoughts singer attended the name-changing ceremony in Barbados, where she was deemed one of the most iconic personalities of the 21st century by Bajan Prime Minister Frundell Stewart. Following the ceremony was a block party where Rihanna, her family, friends, dignitaries, tourists, and other locals, including those living in and around Westbury, continued the celebrations to mark the momentous honor. And that's all we have for you for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.